There's three cavities just like that one right over there. Now everyone, you get to see this nesting behavior without leaving your seats. From the smaller oriental pie model, everyone keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pie model.
So big.
Now, like I said earlier, foreigners we can be found in Africa and Asia. Now, in Borneo, where foreigners can be found, most of the people there, they happen to see a foreigner flying over areas in their village. They're normally dressed with good
Sila
luck.
avatar din.
Interesting, right? What do you do there? Yes, it's how a great high corner vocalizers. Someone's very talkative today. Okay, now the great flying models are actually one of the largest flying models that you can find in this region. Okay, so in a very short while, we will be taking flight to check out the clean cavity around there. Now, female hornbills are very fussy about their accommodation. It needs to be spacious, it needs to have a chimney at the top, so the things can sleep if they need to. Look at it. So this is where the male hornbill then brings out nuts and food to mix those with mushroom and even cocoa droppings to create a strong seal. So speaking about the mate, everyone, eyes right up there. Let's welcome Sunny, another great eye hornbill. The male great eye hornbill is now gathering food for its mate, and once it's ready, it will fly low on some of the eggs and mine. Feeding it to the female. Making a feeding to the girl. She's right there waiting. Okay. If you could not see this up close, look at the screen, everyone. Oh, that's the female actually, and she's checking out the nest cavity. Only if she likes it, then she will pop right in. That's what I was talking about. The male feeding the female to that small gap. Now, in fact, this unique nesting behavior is shared by nearly all 62 species of hornbills found in the world. Sunny, you've done a wonderful job. It's time for you to fly back home, right across the screen. You flap and go. Bye-bye.
Hi!
Well done, our hornbills, ladies and gentlemen. Hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered talented hornbills are hunted for their class, known as the red ivory. So what happened to elephants now happening to these beautiful birds. And get Manta because Manta needs to support the conservation efforts to protect these endangered species. And his brother, let me tell all of you,
May today's
it's
birthday.
best to see the birds flying in the wild and also right to the wildlife parks, where they can get the best care possible.
Well, speaking of best care, hello everyone! I'm Marty from Bird Paradise. My team and I, we work hard to keep our birds active, engaged and engaged. In a very short while, we are about to introduce you to our beautiful cornea. And now looks like they are ready. Let's welcome our beautiful birds! Now this is an enrichment device called a marquee. It looks far into north and it goes on to have feeding for birds to forage and express their natural behavior. Corneas are from South America. They are now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 birds are sold into the pet trade. And unfortunately, there are now more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. But these birds are social species and are happiest in flocks. So please do not expect. Now, did you know
Mga
in
tissue
the world there are over 40 species of corneas? Up here, on the monkey feet, you can see two of the species, which is the Jacday corneas and the sun corneas. Jacday corneas have more green feathers, while the sun corneas have more yellow feathers. It looks like our corneas have made it back home. Let's give them a round of applause.
for us to head to Africa. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, we're now traveling to the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda, and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. Before our next bird appears, just a gentle reminder, we'll be flying low above across all sections above your heads. Please remain seated. 请坐下，安全 sail, Thank you. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, we are next to see a very special bird that we found in Florence, Lake in Southern Arabia and Africa. So I am talking about the pink-backed pelican. Now birds like these will fish with other birds in the wild using their necks, bills, and long
coming here.
pouches. For hours without even stopping. Now this is because they are lightweight. They can weigh about 4 to 6 kilograms. Please remain seated. Seated. Thank you.
Yeah.
They may be lightweight, but they have a huge wingspan measuring up to 9 feet tall or 9 feet long, which is about as tall. All the way to the back. Alright, perfect. Now, ladies and gentlemen, birds, they are everywhere. They are social, they are solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. In fact, they are one of the strongest creatures that you can ever find in this planet. And that is why, as brother, I love having confidence when I see them. What do you mean? Yes. You know what would be amazing for all of us here today? How we see birds from all over the world right here, right now. Okay, so special today. Let's make that wish come true. Let's go!
Where are they going? Oh, that's why. There's water. Oh, there's more. There's more. They're so cute. Wala, nagaduda. Nag-sexy na nga magnabi.
Our wonderful wings of the world. Thank you very much for joining us on this adventure. And happy birthday! Bye!
Yeah. Nakabaliktad yung ulo na.
Exclusive photography session that will be on its way right now. Get ready to have the flamingos and the pelicans at the back while you stand right there at the front, okay? You will have the pictures taken by our professional photographers.
Napasin?
Alright, so please go ahead and please do form a streamline right over here, where you can have your picture taken with the tomatoes and the attachments and the background. Once again, thank you so much for joining us right here this afternoon.